Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It's time for a club set reveal. Whoa, yay! Now, I cannot believe it's July 1st already. Whoa, time is passing us by very, very quickly. This set is the perfect set for pretty much everybody. It really is. And I have amazing samples to share with you because, as I always like to say, my design team is amazing. Are you ready for this month's stamp set? Club members, yours are already on their way to you. So if you're in the Stamp Club or the Die Hard Club, they're already in the mail, which is even better. Ready? This one is called Picnic2stamp, and it's so cute because it has this cute little picnic basket and a little pie and a little lemonade glass and the littlest ants I've ever seen in my life, and I love the ants more than all of it put together. I'm telling you. So it says, sending a basket of birthday wishes. Life with you is a picnic. Hello, my friend. Relax and enjoy the day. It's a picnic party. Now, of course, there's dies that match, and I've even included a couple little extra dies, so don't tell Ken, okay? I have the picnic basket, I have the ants, I added an extra ant just in case. I need to give you a heads up right now, though. The dies don't match up. The inside dies do not match up perfectly to the ants themselves, okay? Because they're so intricate, these little guys couldn't punch out perfect, but I wanted to keep these just like that. So either stamp or die cut them, okay? Don't try to do both. It just doesn't work as well because they're so little and so intricate, but it was worth it to have their little legs. And then we have the lemonade glass or whatever kind of glass, like maybe the Diet Coke glass. A little plate. I added a plate for the pie, so there's not a stamp for that, but I added a plate. And then I added some watermelon and the pie. Then I added this cute little tablecloth, so you could put the picnic basket on the tablecloth. Woo! Now, are there companion sets to this? Yes, there are, because I went a little crazy. So go look at that video also because it's awesome. Now, let me share my samples with you. Do you have to use the picnic basket? No, you do not. Look at this one. Here is one, sending a basket of birthday wishes. Relax and enjoy your day with a grid, and then open it up, and there's the cute little basket. Happy birthday. Isn't that adorable? Here's one on our new center step up. How cute is this? Life is a picnic. Life with you is a picnic with all our little funs. And you're going, where'd that watermelon stamp set come from? Sneak peek. Here's a cute one. Look, and that little ant, those little ants are so dang cute. I could have just done a whole sheet of ants because I love the ants so much. I just thought they were so dang cute. Oh, here's a pocket slider one. Hello, my friend. Open it up. Relax and enjoy the day. Isn't that awesome? Pocket slider. The pocket sliders are very, very popular. Then you can open it up and have it be a card also. But the pocket sliders have been very popular. In fact, when I travel the United States teaching classes, this is one of the techniques I teach because it's so awesome. That needs to get in my class too, by the way. Here's another one, center step up. Now, you don't have to put picnic items in this picnic basket. Put flowers instead. These flowers actually came with this center step up card die set, and look how adorable that is. So cute, huh? Oh, here's one, life with you is a picnic. It just makes me get hungry. And you can see that blanket back there in the background. That's so cute. Enjoy it, relax and enjoy the day. Those little ants, I'm telling you, you're gonna love the ants. I wanna see ants everywhere. Not at my house, on my cards. I want to see ants on all of your card samples. Okay, show me what you can do with those cute little ants. Here's one with one of our spot pudgy dogs. Hello, my friend. Again, the ants. I'm telling you, the ants. Okay, this is like the perfect example of this set. Who did this one? Vanessa. And of course, Vanessa even added a little ant on the back. She always likes to decorate the backs with her stamp. And here's a cute little one with the blanket die. And we have our basket. We have everything that goes with it. Oh, so cute. Now, I have two more, sorry. Sneak peek alert, sneak peek alert. Go check out the other video because this is looking like something that you might want. Life with you is a picnic. Open it up. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. And look, she has little peanut butter and jelly jars for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, here's an adorable one. This one, another sneak peek alert. I won't say much more than that, but look at how cute this is. Steffi doll, open this part up, relax and enjoy the day. Look at how exciting. There's little PD down there. Now, club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, What are we going to do with you? You can be in the club for as little as $11.95 a month. Imagine getting Happy Mail every month sent to you. You get a brand new stamp set sent to you every month. I design new ones every month, so you're always getting a brand new one. And you're getting Happy Mail, which is fun. How often do you get Happy Mail? Not that often, right? We always get bills and ads and junk. Well, join the club for $11.95 a month. You get a new stamp set and you get a 15% discount on our website and in our booth when we travel. It doesn't get better than that. Am I right? I'm right. Yes, go check out the website. Now, club members, yours are on their way to you, and you got to join the club if you're not in the club, and go check out the online gallery if I went too fast on any of those samples. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.